गब्बर आ जाएंगे हम तुम्हें देखने के लिए। गब्बर कितने आदमी थे?
सरदार बस 2 आदमी थे।
2 आदमी और तुम 3? वो इतना इंसाफी है ये।
नहीं सरदार, नेक्स्ट टाइम जाएंगे तो हम जरूर मार के आएंगे उसको। Hey guys, what's up? So welcome to my channel, and once again, as per my commitment, I came with a new place. It's called Ramnagar. You know that it's in movie it's called Ramgarh, but today I'll show you how is it the Ramnagar place where the movie, the iconic movie, the Bollywood movie that is called Sholay movie was shooted here, and it has been 44 years above, and how is the place after 44 years. So चलतु देखा जो स्मृति माने जो आइकनिक मूवी होता शोले मूवीर तार माने 44 वर्ष पर कहानी कौन माने आम सेमती देखा ना कि चेंजेस अच्छी जो शोले जो पहाड़ उपर शोले मूवी से एंड द सेम राइट प्लेस। तो चलतु देखा आज एक्सप्लोर करवा आउ बहुत गुड़ाए जिनस आम ये पाइबा जोटा कि आम रामनगर थाए एंड तो ता विषय तो एक्सप्लेन करी मु। बिफोर दैट लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस माय वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड हु इज जॉइन टुडे ब्लॉग।
Hello friends, Namaskar, Adab and Sat Sri Akal. It's been a great journey being here. Traveling was very great with Santosh as before. Today we are going to explore some beautiful things which is more common in a movie called Sholay. Gabbar, आ जाएंगे हम तुम्हें देखने के लिए। गब्बर। So guys, this will be the best ever thing gonna happen in Ramnagar. So let me give a great applause to one of my friends Santosh for introducing me into his channel, and it's been a great opportunity for me to be a part of this channel, and we will promise you that today's exploring will be great and you will never forget this moment.
So Ramnagar also you can say it's a land of 7 hills where you can get many temples and many hills around this Ramnagar. Okay, so I can say like Yatirajgiri, then Somgiri, Krishnagiri, Jaladeshwara Beta, and Ravaneshwara Beta, Sodalikalu Beta. Those are the 7 hills around the Ramnagar. And Ramnagar, one more thing is for famous, you know, like you can see the watching birds, lovebirds you can see, and some more adventure things also there. Like you can go for a trekking as well, like by the local guidance. So let's follow up, and because we just started here after 46 kilometers from my room. It's not very far from Bangalore. So it's in Bangalore, so hardly you can start it from 8:30 or 9 o'clock for reaching easily. It's a very nice place. So let's go. Don't waste the time here. So let's go and check it out. How is that place? Yeah. you have to charge for bike 10 rupees, and per person they are charging 25 rupees, and it's okay, fine, because they are making the place is better for the tourism purpose, so that is getting charges, fine.
The Karnataka government has made this hill as a wildlife sanctuary, and we can feel the heat once come up the hilltop. One more interesting part on this hill, you can find out different types of eagles and bulbul yellow bird, which has a long tail. That bird will be very beautiful, and you can find it here. But unfortunately, we can't get any views of this bird.
So guys, we finally reached here, our destination called Ramnagar, where the Sholay movie was shoot, and we are heading to the that place, and as well we found one Ram temple, like the Ram temple is here, so we will shoot both of that in this place, and also the where the Sholay movie was shoot, we will do that also. Faiz, how is it?
Good, it looks beautiful. I love nature, as you know. It's gonna be a memorable moment for us visiting here, visiting a Sholay movie location, acting like Gabbar, Veeru, and it's a prime time for us.
So this is the temple, Ram temple here. I'll focus it up. Yes, done. So we'll go like inside the temple. Then on the right side, I think the Sholay place location was there. So we'll go ahead and we'll check it out. How is it? So as per the temple, Pujari said ki you have to go to 400 steps. Then you'll find the place. Yeah. So it's a good trick for us, and I don't know for Faiz how is it. Faiz, is it easy for you or it's hard for you?
To be honest, I don't have enough stamina to climb 400 steps at the moment. So
But
it's
you
gonna
know,
be a
see
hectic time.
the place. How is it, guys? See the place. I think it's looking very pretty, and the climb also good today, right, Faiz? Climb तो अच्छा है ना आज बहुत.
pretty. The place is pretty. बहुत अच्छा है. But चढ़ने के लिए बहुत दिक्कत है.
हाँ, देखो उनका बॉडी का तो देखते भाई लोग, आप बोल सकते हैं भाई लोग यही क्या, ये 800 सीढ़ी चढ़ जाएंगे, और भाई KTM चलाते हैं, थोड़ी उसको छोटा बाइक अच्छा नहीं लगता है. जो भी बाइक चलाता है उसको स्पोर्ट जी बाइक चाहिए. इज अ स्पोर्टी जिम, यू कैन से इज अ स्पोर्टी जिम बाइक, एंड इज अ वेरी एक्सट्रीम राइडर. ओके, आई गॉट टू नो टुडे बिकॉज वी जस्ट हैड हाउ मच 48 kilometers from Bangalore, and I got to know how he is riding. He's riding very well. I'm just kidding. Don't take it serious. It's a pretty, no? Right?
Place is
Yeah.
beautiful. I
But-
guess so people should visit here and climb 400 steps to lose your weight.
Yeah, that's a no. But see, I have checked some videos. They're not shooting on these steps. Seriously, I saw many videos. They're not shooting anything here. So let's see how is it. We'll follow the full steps for reaching the top of the hill. Let's go.
यार 50 steps climb नहीं किए, थक गया मैं.
50 अभी हो गया होगा. नहीं हुआ क्या?
नहीं यार, अभी नहीं.
Guys, whenever visiting this place, take water bottle. Okay, that already we done.
This is the bottle I'm carrying.
Yeah. And also Faiz said something. Faiz, what you said? What is the written on the board?
It is written while waterfalls do not visit here, the water is going to be loaded. Please be safe. And one important thing for the fitness guys, climb 400 steps to lose your weight.
Is it?
Do one go.
It's a great opportunity for you people to visit here.
And lose your weight.
Lose your weight as soon as possible. tired.
You're tired just to climb how much? I think 100 done. We have done 100 stays.
300 more to go.
300 more to go. Let's check it out from the top of the after 100. How is the view? See, it's a very nature things here. They made it very nicely in the middle of the hill.
I guess we should take 2 minutes rest. So we can climb
We'll take rest
300
there
steps
and
more.
we will go.
Hello again, friends. So this is the place where you people have to visit before entering into a Sholay movie location. And this is the great wall of Mahonte in Ramnagar, which you people have to see clearly. You can see those steps, which has been a support for the mountain to climb up. It's a beautiful thing to visit here. I request you people to come together, come with friends, not alone. It's going to be a safety for you people to be here. And we are going to see the peak from edge of the mountain.
Oh, really?
And man, this looks so beautiful.
Yes, man. Seriously. And also, Faiz, the climate is good. I don't know why today we got the lucky. We are lucky, seriously.
भाई
Because-
बोलते हैं ना जो भी होता है
अच्छा ही होता
बच्चों के साथ
है वही सही है. Once you come at this place and you'll find how is it, because in video you can see only the pictures, but once you came here and you'll have the experience how is it.
This was advantage for the India. This is not a Swachh Bharat. I request you people, do not throw these bottles on these places because it's a greenery place where we have to maintain greenery itself. Do not throw bottles here.
Finally we reach at the top of the hill where Sri Ram is there. Lord Ram is worship here, and the Sholay place we'll check it out here. Where is that, so that we can cover it up. So guys, once you reach the temple, there is also free prasad is available. So once you reach here, you can go inside and take the prasad. They are offering freely, and that is the only good thing here. Once you reach the temple on the top hill.
And now we are going to show some locations where it was used as the horse race between Dharminder and a few of the rowdies of Sholay movie. The big point is up and we are going very nearly to the close view.
Okay.
As you can see there, a small view of seconds.
Yeah, this way, right?
Yes. Do not try to take advanced selfies, so it might be a danger for your life.
Yes.
Please be prepared. Do not try any attempt which hurts you in the future.
सो सेमाने कौन करछन माने एठी जो माने लाइन दे दैछन जहा फल कि माने क्रॉस करी कि किछि सेल्फी पे माने रिक्स रे जेमति न पड़न से एमति करछन दैट्स अ वेरी गुड आईडिया
So guys, I advise you people, do not try this attempt.
Not cross it because it is very dangerous. If you cross the line, it's under your property, so we have to take care. Like that, it's your risk. Take your own risk and do the video or selfie with whatever you want. Something become a point. So don't come this side. I just came for you guys. You should not do anything. Don't take selfie over here. It's very dangerous. For the how the viewpoint from the top will, that's why I came and show you. So let's go.
So you can see this beautiful view, and I'm gonna show you the best part of this place is that thing which has been zoomed out here. It's called Volcanic Mountain. Beautiful place, beautiful visit where the waterfall is highly maintained by the temperature over there. Now you guys have to take a look towards there where Viru was dead in a movie called Sholay. Okay, and that's the place where Dharminder was caught by refugees of Sholay movie while shooting. He was climbing up with the horse, and the refugees jumped on him and they caught Viru. Okay. Now this is a trilogic. This is going to be an epic moment for me because I never noticed this thing before. We are just giving a clustering about this process where you just have to see this view and merge yourself with the beautiful nature now.
Scary to climb, man. It's not like the stairs.
You have to wear your studs.
Yes.
Yeah, bro, for sure. Wow,
Awesome.
this is amazing.
Gabbar!
Will be room.
Hey, people are going top. Is it? Are you kidding me?
Zoom out.
Yeah.
And you can see there's people climbing up.
So we will go there for sure.
Before we climb up,
So
I want people to take this view. Oh
Yeah.
my gosh. यार मुझे तो चक्कर आ रही है.
सो आमर जी भी ओडिशा अच्छी केबे जदि बेंगलोर आसती तो यही रामगढ़ को आसो जमा भी भूलेनि कारण रामगढ़ भी गोटे जगह जोटा कि आप फैमिली मान सहित आसिकी ये जगह को देखिपारे जोटा कि बहुत बढ़िया जगह मैंने आप आसिले जाने. सो ट्राई टू क्लाइंब अप ओनली लाइक 10:30 to 11. So will not get that adjusted, like you know the temperature will be high compared to the time, you know.
I suggest you people to climb up here after 11.
I don't know face this trees are very black. It's already gone or
It's because of sunlight.
oh, because of sunlight. Oh ho ho ho. This is the color.
Yes. They were total green because of the sunlight. They are roasted. So
Oh.
better wear a cap while coming here.
Okay. So I think it is the better to come in monsoon so that you will
Yes.
get nicely greenery all the stuff.
If you people are traveling here, travel alone with the support of some people. Do not come up here alone. Climb up here with the safeties. Wear a cap so your skin won't be burned.
Cool. So moving forward, and we are going top of the hill for see the view. How is it? So let's check it out.
असली मजा तो अब है यारो।
ऊपर जाके हम देखेंगे संबा किधर था और गब्बर किधर था। So because of the heat, the grass are look like this, right?
जब झाड़ों की हालत ऐसी हो गई
हाँ
तो इंसान की हालत सोचो भाई कैसी होगी।
करेक्ट। हाँ पूछो।
और संतोष भाई अगला प्लान क्या होगा? इसी तरह होगा या फिर कुछ खतरनाक वाला होगा?
तो फर्स्ट मैं ट्राई करूँगा कुछ नेक्स्ट टाइम कुछ एडवेंचर्स करेंगे जो कि हम थोड़ा मोटो ब्लॉग में ज़्यादा ध्यान देंगे। और फूड ब्लॉग तो मैं ट्राई कर रहा हूँ करने के लिए। आई विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम माई ओडिशा फर्स्ट, माई लोकल डिश, ओके, then I'll come to like Bangalore, because you know Bangalore also some places are for their food only they're famous. Shivaji Nagar for non-veg, or for veg things also some places are there. I just not research many more things, so let me research it and find out some food blogs as well on my blog, and also we will do some adventure things with veg, because
Why don't you think like exploring these kind of things? Why don't we make something good? Like being in a haunted places, experimenting them, showing to the public how enjoyable moment will be.
yes, that one we will do, and we will do once also night trek somewhere else. So
Night trek.
yeah,
I know few places we are going to make a new video which is going to be a classic one. You people will love visiting there.
okay. So we'll try veg on next time on my next blog. Sure, if you will help me, then I'll do sure.
This is
So this is the way.
Ramnagar.
So this is the way to the climb to the top of the hill. So see, so guys, while climbing it's a very scary. So take your own risks and climb properly.
So I'm going to climb up now. So it's better. I want you people to carry your luggage with the safety. Do not experiment. Hold these pipes while climbing. आराम से चाहिए भाई।
ठीक, मैं आऊँ?
आ जाओ।
तो कैमरा पकड़ोगे या मैं चलूँ कुछ करूँ मैं?
इसको देखो।
Oh my God! Seriously, it's a very adventure, man. Seriously.
इस वाले स्टेप पे देख के आना भाई।
बहुत डेंजरस है।
स्टेप्स नहीं होंगे, यहाँ पे होंगे घड़े पे पाँव रख के आना है।
तो let's follow.
खतरनाक है दोस्तों।
अरे यार, थोड़ा सा परेशान हो रहा है मेरे को कैमरा लेके फेस, पर ट्राई करता हूँ ऊपर आने के लिए, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। नाइस ट्रेकिंग इज इट। Oh, see. Faiz already moved up to compared to me. Okay, Faiz, reach safely. I think for me it's a very nice vlog for me till the time. What I have vlogged till the time. This is epic for me. For Faiz, I don't know how is it. I think he also enjoying.
This is the best one, but the killer one, bro.
Yeah. Thanks for choosing this and you recommended this place. So finally we are done that, and we are up now on the top of the hill, very top of the hill. So our guys are here.
Please give us some tricky ideas to climb up.
Elaborate how is it, because you reach fast. We are stopped in between. So elaborate how is it? For me it's a very awesome, really. Seriously, if you
How
come.
to do any of the adventures, no, we should be reaching.
Yeah.
So before it's no need to go for Nandi Hills or somewhere. It's nearby to you can come here and you can join us.
Right. So what have you reached here? For half an hour? So
We are not stopped anywhere. We just came up.
we just stopped in between and we taken some rest. reach the top of the hill, and we just taken a rest once we reached here. So that, and I also interacted with some friends, okay, like Karnataka friends, who is doing something newly. Like I met one director who is doing some, like, not director for only short movies, and he also editor. So I just met him, and it's a very nice to meet some new people, and they will like, you know, face. तो नया लोग मिलेंगे तो कुछ कुछ नया भी चांस मिलता है, राइट?
हाँ
वो तो है. Yeah. So I think आपण मैंने देखिपे जे ये ऊपर को पहुँचला मत तो बहुत भल लगुच. तो आप देखिए जदि जदि खरा ही न था माने बहुत माने खरा बहुत हो तो टिके किसीटा प्रॉब्लम हो माने मूविंग एपटे सेपटे होगा. अदरवाइज बहुत बढ़िया जदि पानी माने पाग ठीक थी तो जल माने तुम आसो माने बहुत बढ़िया लगे. तो प्लान करंतु केबे आसिया जमा भूलतु रामनगर रामगढ़ गब्बर का जगह
रामगढ़ के बाद